We are from St. Anthony's High School, from grade 8. Myself M. Saivarshini.
Myself Purnima.
Myself Vatsalya.
Myself Dhruti. Here we are presenting an activity on how to form multiple images. Now my friend Purnima will say the materials we require.
The materials we require to plain mirrors, candle, cellophane tape and matchstick. Now my friend Vatsalya will explain you procedure.
Let's see procedure. Take two plain mirrors and fold them in a certain angle. Place a candle between them. And now burn it. Now we can see three images. Now my friend Ruti will explain. Say you some questions.
I will ask you some questions. How many images can you see? There are 2 mirror images and 1 copy image.
This is our activity and model.
We hope you like this video.